Every morning, you add it to your coffee. Every afternoon, you sprinkle it on your dessert. You've used it thousands of times, but perhaps never seen where it comes from. It all begins here, in the vast green sugarcane fields, where each sugarcane stalk is cultivated year-round. And when viewed from above, you truly see its scale. This isn't a small field. This is an ocean of sugarcane, stretching to the horizon. And to transform that ocean into sugar, humans have created a colossal system of machinery. Welcome to the sugar factory, where thousands of tons of sugarcane are brought in daily, and an impressive transformation journey is about to begin. The first step. The sugarcane must be completely crushed. Hundreds of blades spin at breakneck speed, transforming the sturdy stalks into a thin layer of fiber. Then, giant presses, weighing tens of tons, squeeze the fiber under immense pressure to extract every drop of golden sugarcane juice. The raw sugarcane juice is filtered to remove debris, precisely weighed, before entering the first chemical processing stage. The sugarcane juice is heated and mixed with lime milk, a reaction that removes impurities, preparing it for the sedimentation process. In these enormous settling tanks, The clear sugarcane juice gradually separates from the heavy sludge that settles to the bottom, a nearly perfect separation. The remaining sludge is passed through a giant vacuum filter, recovering every last drop of sugarcane juice before becoming agricultural sludge. Now it's time for the clear sugarcane juice to begin to concentrate. Through a series of vacuum evaporators, the water gradually evaporates, leaving behind a thick golden syrup. The syrup is treated with sulfur gas to lighten its color, then filtered again to ensure clarity. And here, the heart of the factory, the enormous boiling pots, where the first sugar crystals begin to form, growing larger minute by minute. This thick mixture, called molasses, is slowly cooled, allowing as many sugar crystals as possible to crystallize. And here's the most crucial moment. Centrifuges spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, churning out the molasses, retaining only the first pure white sugar crystals. The moist sugar is then fed into a giant rotary dryer, where the crystals are tossed around in a stream of warm air until completely dry. Afterward, the sugar is sifted according to particle size, fine, medium, coarse, to meet various usage requirements. And finally, the automated packaging line operates non-stop, weighing, bagging, sealing, and palletizing thousands of bags of sugar per hour. But nothing is wasted. The bagasse, after the juice is extracted, is burned to produce steam, which powers turbines and provides electricity to the entire factory. Molten, a valuable byproduct, is stored separately, and each batch of sugar is tested for purity in a laboratory before being shipped. All these processes, dozens of enormous machines, operate simultaneously, non-stop, 24 hours a day. And when the last bags of sugar are loaded onto trucks, the journey from the field to your table is considered half complete. From the factory, trucks roll across the country, carrying the fruits of a whole process filled with dedication. Then one day, you walk into a store, and your hand touches that very bag of sugar. You take it home, pour it into the familiar jar on your kitchen counter. And it reappears in your morning coffee in your family meal. as simple as it always has been. But now, when you look at that tiny sugar grain, you might remember the vast sugarcane fields, the dozens of giant machines, and the long journey to create this simple sweetness. From a field to your table, millions of sugarcane stalks, all to create one sweetness. That is the story behind each white sugar grain you hold in your hand.